Hello guys, good day. Welcome to Inyerong Cowboy YouTube channel. Okay, so this is part 3 sa ating learning 1 uh, sa AutoCAD guys. So last time sa ating part 2 natapos tayo or nag-end tayo sa menu bar. So ito, menu bar. So yung next natin is yung changing the display of the ribbon. Okay. So yung ribbon guys na sinasabi dito is ito yung kung titingnan natin yung ating AutoCAD na software, ito siya. Okay, so ito yung ribbon. So this one, so home, insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage. So ito siya. Okay, so actually pwede natin itong i-change yung kanyang display kung gusto mong malaki yung ating screen. So, pwede natin itong ibaba doon. So, ito is naka-ribbon minimize to panels. Okay, so kung gusto mong gawing minimize to panel titles, i-click mo lang yung ito. Okay, so kung nakikita nyo, may wordings na nag-appear, minimize to panel button. So, i-click lang ito. So, magiging ganyan siya guys. So, panel na lang yung ating makikita. So, pwede na din natin shuffle ribbon. Okay, or gawin natin sa tab. So, meron siyang minimize to tabs. Okay, so magiging ganyan siya. So, naka-minimize to tabs na ito. So, ulitin natin, minimize to tabs. Then, panel titles, this one. Ito yung panel titles, kung makikita nyo. Lumalabas ito yung draw, modify, annotation, layers, block ito. Then, most na ginagamit natin is panel buttons. Okay, so nag-upper itong draw, itong modify annotation, layers. Okay, so siguro mas convenient pag ganito, kasi bago pa lang tayo sa software, pero kung expert na tayo, pwede natin i-minimize to tabs. Okay, so I think na explain ko ng guys, detailed itong changing the display of the ribbon. Okay, so balik tayo. Okay, so yung next guys is yung dialogues and palettes. Okay, so dialogues and palettes are of AutoCAD, part of AutoCAD user interface. Using a dialog or a palette, you can easily specify many settings and options at time. Okay, so ang next guys is yung tool palettes. Tool palettes provide you with another way of selecting tools and placing objects. Tool palettes is parang direct ito, so may mga options na doon or icons na pwede mong i-drag para insert sa drawing. So you can display tool palettes by clicking view. So nasa view siya, palettes and tool palettes on the ribbon. Okay, so tingnan natin. Okay, so ito siya. So view. So this one, i-click natin ang view. Then palettes. So ito. Then tool palette. So dito. So pag click natin to, lalabas itong mga ganito guys. So mayroong modeling, constraints, annotation, architectural, mechanical, electrical, civil, structural, hatches, table. So nandito lahat. So para mas medyo mabilis yung drawing, pwede natin gamitin tong tool palettes. Okay, so maraming techniques sa AutoCAD guys. So depende sa kung saan ka convenient. Okay. So balik tayo. Okay, so ito, so siguro mga 95% matatapos na natin yung learning 1 guys sa ating learning session. So ito yung ating mga command list. Okay, itong command list guys, ito yung ating tinatype sa ating command. sa command. Okay, so ito yung ating command. Okay, so kung ito yung ating workspace, so dito natin siya ito-type. Example, no? DC. So for this one, yung upload wala siyang alias eh. So activates the load and load applications dialog box. So pag add center ka, ta-type mo siya dito, DC. So lalabas siya. Okay? So add center. So i-click mo na lang to or enter. So mag-upper na yung command na gusto mo. Okay? So next is align. Okay? So try natin yung align. Align is EL. Okay? So lalabas siya. Okay? So siya yung mauuna. So align. So ang ibig sabihin ng align is used to align objects with other objects. Tsaka may mag-upper dito guys na kuhan. Parang instruction ito. So align objects with other objects 2D and 3D. Okay, so very helpful siya and very convenient. Okay, so next is yung arc. So ganun rin, na-type mo rin dito. So ang importante nito guys is yung alias ng command is alam mo or memorize or familiar mo ito sa'yo. Okay? So, is display DB Connect Manager palette. Okay, so @def is displayed attribute definition. Next is the @edit or ETE or ate. Ito yung kanyang alias. So, used to edit attributes. Audit, used to check and fix errors. Auto-constrain, used to apply constraints automatically. Auto-publish, used to create drawing file. Okay? So, B action or AC used to add action to a dynamic block. This command is available in block editor. So, naka-block editor ka guys, magagamit mo siya. Okay, so block used to create a block. Bmake used to create a block. So B. Then BM Pout used to create a raster image out of the drawing. Boundary or BO, yung kanyang alias, used to create hatch boundary. Break used to break an object. Okay? Cal used to calculate mathematical expressions. Chamfer, CHE used to create chamfers. Okay? So, CH changes the properties of selected objects. Circle, C, so used to create a circle. Okay, so kung nasa drawing tayo, so palagi natin ito nagagamit. So, mabilis siya. So, dapat alam mo kung ano yung mga alias niya. So, type mo lang sa command dito. Example, yung circle C, enter. Okay, so, makagawa ka na ng circle. So, i-specify mo lang yung kanyang radius or diameter. Okay? Okay, so next is color or COL, display the select color dialog box. Okay? Next is copy. So, use to copy objects inside a drawing. So, kung may objects ka dito, CO mo lang para makopy. So, try natin guys. Sample, meron kang circle. Gawa tayo ng circle. Gusto mong copyin, drag, click, CO ang circle, di ba? CO. So, copy, lalabas siya, click. Then, specify base point kung saan mo siya ilalagay, click. Then, nandun. So, lumabas na yung isang circle natin. Then, click. So, okay. So, kung gusto mong kasi successive yung command, guys. Kung gusto mong matapos yung command, kuhan lang, press escape to exit. Okay? So, kung gusto mong mawala na yung command, skip mo lang dito sa ating keypad. Escape. Okay, so nawala siya. Okay? So, next is copy clip used to copy objects from one drawing to another. Then, customize used to customize tool palettes. So DD edit or ED used to edit note or annotation. So dim style, so importante din to guys pag format ng ating mga drawing para alam natin kung anong text na gagamitin, anong height, anong laki, or add color ang ating gagawin. Okay? DD modify displays the properties palette. Del constraint used to delete constraints. O snap objects used to object snap settings. Okay, so DD type used to set the point style and size. Okay, so view is V, ito yung alias niya, so type of command lang. Okay, so drawing export used to export the drawing to drawing format. Okay, so drawing import used to import a drawing or format file. Dim constraint or decon used to apply dimensional constraints to objects. Then dim linear or DLI used to create a linear dimension. Dim align or DAL used to create a align dimension. Okay, so malapit-lapit na tayo guys. Okay, so dim arc or DAR used to dimensions the arc length, the dimension reduce, dim reduce used to create a radial dimension. Then dim jog or geojog sa kanyang alias used to create jog dimensions. Dim diameter or dim DIA, dim dia used to create the diameter dimensions. Dim angular or DEN used to create an angular dimension. Dim ordinate or DOR used to create ordinate dimensions. Dim continue or dim cont used to create continuous dimensions from an existing one. Okay? Dim baseline or dim base used to create baseline dimensions. Okay, so this one wala siyang mga alias. So dim inspect used to create an inspection dimension. So i-click mo siya sa pag mga ganito, kailangan mo siyang i-click kung nasan yung function dito sa ating CAD. Okay? Dim break used to break the extension line of a dimension when it intersects with another dimensions. Okay? Dim override used to override the system variables of a selected dimension. Dim center used to create a center mark of a circle. Okay, so dim edit or DIMED used to edit a dimension. Dim edit used to edit the dimension text. So same yung kuan niya alias. So dim associate medyo disassociate a dimension from the object. Okay, so distance or DI used to measure the distance between 2 points. So example ito guys is yung dalawang circle na kinapi natin kanina kung gusto nating malaman yung distance niya. So command line tayo, then DI. So lalabas yung distance, click. Then dito sa kanyang center, then dito sa center. So 2,807.0896 yung kanyang distance. Okay? So, kung gusto natin mawala yung command, press escape. Okay? Okay. Divide, so div. Places evenly spaced objects on a line segment. So, kung gusto natin i-divide yung line. So, do not. So, DO used to create a donut. So, dview used to get the aerial view of a drawing. DXVIN used to open a DXV file. DXFIN used to open a DXF file. DXFOUT used to save the file in DXF format. Ellipse, so parang shapes na ng ating object, or AL used to create an ellipse. Erase, kung gusto nating erase. So example ito guys, dito gusto natin itong i-erase. Type lang natin yung then enter. Okay, so nawala siya. Yung space niya is enter also sa AutoCAD. Okay? So exit used to close AutoCAD. Explode or X used to explode or ungroup objects. Okay, so Explorer displays Windows Explorer. Export or AXP used to export data. Okay, so malapit na tayo. Yung command is medyo marami kasi ito, then importante dito sa ating drawing or paggamit natin ng AutoCAD. So isa-isahin natin to guys. So extend or AX used to extend an object up to another. Okay, fillet or F used to create fillet at the curve. Okay, so filter used to set object selection filters. GU constraints or GCon used to apply geometric constraints. Gradient used to apply gradient to a closed area. So group or G used to group objects. Hats used to apply hats to a closed area. Okay? So yung hats guys is parang naglalagay ka ng color or design sa closed area siya. So dapat naka-close kasi kung hindi siya close, nag-i-error siya. So hindi nag-hat sa object. Okay, so hats edit or HE used to edit hats. Help display the help window. So hide or HI change the visual style to hidden. Okay, so ID displays the coordinate values of a selected point. Okay, so image attach or IM used to attach an image reference. So image adjust or IED used to adjust images. Image clip used to crop an image. Import, so used to import other forms of CAD data. Okay, so insert or ang kanyang alias used to insert a block. Okay, 42. So insert OBG used to insert objects into the drawing. Isoplane or Control E used to set the current isometric plane. Okay, so join or J used to join in points to linear and curved objects. So the layer of the selected objects will be made current. Okay, so layer or LA used to create a new layer and modify its properties. So lay if RZ used to freeze the layer of the selected objects. Lay ISO or ISO isolate the layer of a selected object. Okay, so layout used to modify layouts. Layoff used to turn off layer of a selected object. So lay on used to on all the layers. Lengthen, so pahabain. So LEN used to increase the length of an object. Limits used to set the drawing limits. Yeah, important ito guys sa pag-set up natin ng ating mga drawings. So limmax or limit max used to set the maximum limits of a drawing. Okay, so ito na yung line. So L used to create line. So line type or LT used to set the line type. So list or LI list the properties of selected objects to the text window. Load. So ito siya. Then LT scale or LTS used to set the line type scale. Measure ME used to place the points or block at the measured intervals of an object. So menu used to load the customization files. Okay, menu load used to load or unload a customized file. So mirror MI, so MI yung ilalagay sa command line. So ML edit used to create a multi-line. So mlines or ML used to create multiple parallel lines. ML styles used to create and modify a multi-line style. Okay, so move. So ita-type natin sa command line kung gusto natin i-move yung objects. Example ito is kunin natin siya, then press enter or space. So pwede na siyang ma-move. Okay, so escape. Okay, so slide, undo to create slide out of a drawing. Space or MAs used to switch from paper space to model space. Okay. Stretch used to stretch multiple objects at a time. Okay. mtext or mt or t, mview, mb, mb setup, new. So pag new, control N, notepad, used to edit file on in notepad, offset or U, creates a parallel copy of the selected objects to a specified distance. Okay. Then OOPS used to undo the erase command. So open, options, OP yung type natin, or 2. So yung or 2 is on or off lang. So doon tayo sa status bar. Hanapin natin to din on or off. O snap, same. Page setup, pan, P. Ang pan is ito yung parang movement. So pag i-type natin P, lalabas yung kamay. So mamumove mo yung drawings. P siya. Okay, skip. P, pan, move. Okay? So parameter or PR used to assign expressions to dimensional constraints. Okay, malapit-lapit na. So pbrush, pedit, pe, pline, polyline. So plot, so pag nagpe-print ka, control P, point, PO, used to place a point in the object or drawing, polygon, POL, preview, PRA, properties, PR, displays the properties, palette, P is out, purge or PU, QDEM, QSave, quick calculations or QC, quit, and ray. Then we have recover all, rectangular, so redefine, redraw or R, undefine, redo, redrawal or RA, region all, region, rename, recloud. Okay, so ribbon, display the ribbon. Ribbon close pag in-hide natin. So save, control S. So very common yung save guys, control S. Save as. Save image, scale or SC. Script, SCR. Sit bar o isit natin yung variable as ET. Shape, shell, skits. Solid is O. Spill is P. Spline is PL. Spline edit. Status, stretch, style or ST, tablet TE, table configuration, text, thickness, tolerance, toolbar TO, trim or TR. So yung trim pala, so para makuha natin kasi most common to na ginagamit. So kung gusto mong i-erase to, gawa ka ng line, L, enter, ganyan, then select all objects, then TR, then kung gusto mong tanggalin yung isang half nito, i-click lang to. Okay, so nat-trim siya, nawawala. Okay, so skip. So UCS, undo units, UN, and view. Then, and lastly guys, sa ating command, we have bplayer, bports, bslide, wblock, WMFIN, wipe out, WM ops, WMs out, X attach, X line, Xref, and zoom. Okay, so ito guys yung mga command list na dapat nating ma-familiarize while we are drawing our projects in AutoCAD. Kasi ito yung mga commands na magpapadali sa ating mga drawings. Kasi ita-type na lang natin. So, press space or enter para mabilis yung ating kuwan. Okay, so I think that is all guys for learning 1 ng ating CAD session guys. So, umabot tayo ng part 3. So, tatlong part yung naubos natin na kuan na time para sa first learning natin. So, I hope na makatulong ito sa inyo sa inyong CAD journey para matuto kayo nito. So, sa simpleng kuan lang, at least makatulong ako sa inyo. Then, Shout out pala guys kay John Mok Smoky TV. So nasa Saudi Arabia to. So CAD operator sa Saudi. Kuan, uncle ko siya, then nagkita kami doon sa Saudi during my abroad days. Okay, so salamat sa support. Then see you guys in the next learning session natin, yung learning session number 2. So parang chapter 2. Okay, so I think that's all for this learning session. Medyo mahaba-haba yung command list. Sige lang, ayos lang. Okay, so okay. So I think yun lang yata guys. Okay, so thank you for your time. So medyo mahaba-haba yung time natin ngayon, 25 minutes. Kasi marami tayong napag-usapan. Okay, so I think that is all. Thank you and have a good day.